Good morning, children. Welcome to online class. How are you, children? I hope you are all fine at home. Children, from today onwards, we are going to start online classes for the academic year 2021 to 22. And this is our first chapter, lesson 1 from science subject. The title of our lesson is The Food We Need. The food we need. So, children, do we need food, children? Do we need it? Yes, we need it. Why do we need it? I ask you, do we need food means? Yes, you said. Then why do we need food? Because we need food. We need food to get energy. To get energy. And to repair our tissue cells. And to protect and to function a number of tasks which are going inside of our body that are all based on our food, children. If we don't consume the food, there will be no efficient energy in our body, children. You may become inactive, and not only for you, children, and whatever the various functions happening in our body also requires energy, children, like breathing, circulating, and number of systems are there. Okay, children, to perform them, to perform all the functions, we need energy, children. Okay, children, so right now we look clearly why do we need food and what are the activities included in this lesson, the food we need, children. So, children, you might have visited to food festivals. Okay, children, you might have visited food festivals. There you might have seen a large number of food varieties. But you are first to see a number of new food items. Previously you don't have any idea about that and you have never tasted them. But right now you are going to learn and you are going to see and taste each and every food item, children, in the food festival. Okay, children, you know some of the food items like pulihora, rice, common rice, and potato curry, brinjal curry, and ice creams, and sweets, and potato fry. All these comes under the food category of foods, children. Whatever it may be, whether sweet or hot, or it may be rice, anything that comes under the category of food. So you know all these common food items, children. Right now we'll see activity regarding the food we need. So, children, this is the activity that I am going to give you, children. The activity is nothing but I am asking you what kind of food items have you ate yesterday? What kind of food items have you ate yesterday? You list in a book, children. So, on so and so day, I have ate morning. So, I am taking example as Kirtana. A girl named Kirtana. She has ate a number of food items like this: idli sambar, and rice, dal, vegetable curry, fruit salad. Right now, a boy named Ravi, he ate dosa, chicken, roti, and brinjal curry. Children, there was a difference in the food items, children. Whatever the food items eat by the Kirtana is totally different by the Ravi's dishes. Yes or no, children? There was no same dishes in two of the daily menu, children. Like that, from person to person, from family to family, these food items will change, children. All the families never eat the same kind of food items, children. Yes or no? You may prepare one kind of food item, I may prepare one kind of food item. But the common food items in our Andhra Pradesh are rice, dal, and vegetable curries, children. These are the common food items. Vegetable curries. But if you go to the north side, you will see in the place of rice, chapati, nothing but roti, children. Okay, you will see roti, dal, and some other food items what they eat in that place, children. So children, here from person to person or from family to family, the food items varies. We all not eat the same kind of food items, children. There was a difference. So children, you ask to your friends whether what they have ate yesterday. Understand, children? And record the information in a book, children. So next we'll see food ingredients. Food ingredients. Food ingredients. Food ingredients. Children, you know that in common days we won't prepare the special dishes. On only special occasions we'll prepare special food items. On any marriage events, birthday events, and festival times, we'll prepare a lot variety of special food items. But on common days, you know that we'll eat the common procedure like rice, vegetable curry, and dal. Rice, rasam, and vegetable curry. Rice, some other vegetable curry. Like that, it follows the menu. But here, food ingredients means nothing but if we want to prepare any food item, we need ingredients, children. We need ingredients. So, the definition for food ingredients is the materials that are required to prepare a food item. Prepare food items are called ingredients. So children, the materials that are required to prepare a food items, prepare a food item are called ingredients, children. So children, if you take a pulihara for example, that may include a number of food ingredients, children. What are those? Rice, turmeric, salt, chilies, next oil, and asafoetida, curry leaves, groundnuts, all these, children. So by using one and only one food material, we cannot prepare any kind of food item. We cannot prepare any kind of food item by using one material. So more than one material are used to prepare food items, children. Understand, children? The materials that are required to prepare a food items are called ingredients. So there was one more task for you, children. That is nothing but whatever the favorite food items are there for you, you list out and write the materials which are required to prepare that favorite food items, children. Take a book and keep all the favorite food items on the left side, and on the right side you give the column, and whatever the food materials are required, you write on the right column, children. Children, will see the sources of food ingredients and further topics in the next class, children. Thank you, children. Please follow the lesson. Thank you.